our AC pickup and van newsletters. You've come to the right place. Fleet Owners newsletters are crafted by industry experts and award-winning editors with you in mind. We are dedicated to bringing you the right news and information so
and this was in a apartment complex.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Thanks for the call, Ashley. I don't know if that helps, but I think you guys sitting down and deciding what you value the most, but something is going to have a sacrifice. And you...
Jamie Markley is on cycle.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for a dam floodgate release in eastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas until 11 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., dam operators reported the floodgates on the Remmel Dam were expected to be opened, which will result in flash flooding downstream on the Washita River. Hazard: flash flooding from a dam floodgate release. Source: dam operator. Impact: flooding of areas along the river immediately downstream of the dam. The nearest downstream town is Jones Mill, Friendship, Midway, and Oak Grove. This is a routine high water event which will result in lowland flooding along the Washita River in Hot Spring County. Initial impacts from Remmel Dam releases will reach the bridge on Interstate 30 near Malvern within 1 to 2 hours, with maximum impacts occurring within the next 2 to 3 hours. Initial impacts will reach Donaldson within the next 3 to 6 hours, with the maximum impacts occurring within the next 6 to 8 hours. Impacts will reach Friendship in about 10 to 12 hours. Livestock and property should be moved out of the floodplain. Flooded roadways should be avoided. This includes the following streams and drainages: Tenville Creek, Prairie Bayou, Tupelo Creek, Washita River, Chapman Creek, Blakely Creek, Delisle Creek, Stone Quarry Creek, and Cove Creek. A release of 30,000 CFS from the dam is expected to begin around 8:30 p.m. Flooding is occurring along the Washita River. If you are in low-lying areas below the Remmel Dam, you should move to higher ground immediately. The National Weather
Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for Hinds County in central Mississippi, Madison County in central Mississippi, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jackson, Clinton, Madison, Ridgeland, Kenton, Gluckstadt, Raymond, Flora, Edwards, Bolton, Learned, Pocahontas, Brownsville, Annandale, Newman and Sharon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.